We're going to the hibachi restaurant tonight. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Come on. Leave that toilet alone. Good job.
Uh-oh. It's starting to robot. Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye. Off. Robot. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Robot. Robot, come back. Robot, come back. Robot. Robot.
Enough room in the car for you to go with us to the store. I got you. No, you can't go. There's not enough room in the car, boo boo. I gotta prop y'all up because my flip screen is broken. But good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Happy 2023. Happy New Year. We made it. We crossed over, y'all. But anyway, we are getting ready to go to Walmart. I'm trying to find socks. We gotta go grocery shopping.
Mommy!
It's not enough room, Bobo.
Mommy!
It's not enough room. Yeah, but we're going to the store, like I said, for the 30th time. It's Saturday morning.
Saturday morning.
Saturday morning. It's 11 o'clock, actually. We're getting a late jump because it's been a long week, y'all.
Yeah.
It's the weekend. We're going to the hibachi restaurant tonight. It's Taylor's first time going. And there's like 20 of us going tonight for her first experience. I'm excited about that. I'm excited to get some rice and some, not steak. I don't think I want steak this time, but some rice and some shrimp and the sweet glazed carrots. I'm excited. I was thinking about that this morning about what I wanted to get for tonight, and I think I've settled just on shrimp and rice because they be filling you up with the miso soup and the salad with the ginger dressing on it. Yeah, they be filling you up before you even get to the main dish. But I'm getting ready now. We're about to go. It's just me and the girls today. The boys are staying home doing men's stuff. I don't know what they're doing, but that's what they're doing today.
Like hands and soul. The meat let it drag on the floor. It's the nothing in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. And a man, with no advance.
I don't eat onion like that.
I think we got an onion at the house. Yeah, there's one in the dumpster.
Yeah. Oh, you look at me. Because she's sleepy.
It's like a.
This one, something
Is this gel? The bottle. Okay, just one of that in the bottle.
almost.
You know.
Unless you want to do it from what? We got clear? You got clear already?
Yeah. Yeah, 2 different sections.
Oh.
I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall, shop at the Prada, shop at the store, shop in the drop and stop in Dior. Louis Vuitton, cover my toes, throwing my trousers, look at my bricks, these are my tennis, look at my shoes, Chrome hot socks and sandals, man's outside in Crocs and shambles. Please quick talk, no rambles, soon as they send they bread, I cancel. I like to tangle, twisting and tangle, guessing the angles, up in the bank though.
Boo boo, watch.
Yeah, Jeremiah.
He had to spell his bubble.
Say, baby, 'cause I demand you. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like there is something you got. Obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Gotta take you out, not too busy. There's nothing new. I'll just
Say good morning.
Put that slash on and work it kind of vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, shut it down, you be the baddest girl around. They noticed, shut it down. Did you pray? No. Let's pray. Thank you for Amen. Good job. Good job.
So, let's start. Oh, Kendall is about to get her hair done. I got her this hair bow box off of Amazon. I don't know if it's gonna hold everything I got, or she has, but about to fill it up while she gets her hair done and see how much I could put into it. I don't know if it's gonna last long because it came in, it's already broken, like on the side here. Thomas had to tape it up and fix it and glue it. But it's cute. It's like this green clear color and it has like a gold handle and a gold clasp. I think it's cute. But if this doesn't last long, I have to find another one on Amazon. Grandma is doing Dina Bina hair. What design are you doing?
I'm gonna try this. Can't promise I'm gonna get it, but I'm gonna try this.
Okay, and Kendall has hair that doesn't hold anything. You could twist it and put gel and whatever in it and it don't hold nothing. It's so soft.
So we're gonna try that. And trying to get her to stay still is not happening.
You're not supposed to laugh at that.
Bing bing.
I'm a rolling stone. I'm too high for you to own. In a whip that's meant to speed. If I hurt you
just making change from another place. I still got demons from my younger days. I wish I could shake them, but they
Pretty girl. Tina. Hey, that pretty girl. Yeah. Let's see. Oh.
You think she posing and everything?
Ooh. Ooh.
Get it, Kim.
Ooh.
Get it, Kim.
Oh, pretty girl.
Can't tell her nothing.
So
Pretty.
hair down the back. Hey, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Oh, thank you. Y'all suck. Hey, Sam.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hey.
What is the birthday? What is the birthday? What is the birthday?
It's my birthday. He did
Happy
sing.
birthday, Miss
Thank you.
Birthday. Happy birthday.
I should open the door for you.
Yeah, everybody coming. I knew what was going on. Y'all can't surprise the prophet. Y'all can't surprise the prophet. That one, what you doing on Saturday? Thank you. Hello. We sing again, we do the cake.
All right, everybody, that's it. This is a Saturday feast. And y'all look like I got 2 plates and I'm on a diet. Look at that. Look at Tinkeroo.
I don't know what diet he on.
Why you gotta call me out? I'm on there. Look at that. Cabbage and rice. And, baby, time I'm holding the camera, maybe I might do it. The lay over there smacking her lips. I can hear her smacking her lips from here. That's all I hear.
Why you call me out?
Here's my baby daughter right there. Here's my big baby right there. My little baby.
See, I don't know what's.
I did it.
You did it? What you do? You said grace?
Krystal said that was good. The in context.
Right. All right.
Lord, he gave me a
My other sis, my brother,
his food.
you know, and it's his wife, Sophia. Bear got to be locked up. Bear, you want to get
He
out?
watching something nerve-wracking
Okay.
in there.
The real reason we're here today is for my beautiful wife.
Yeah.
The one that don't like anything done for her, to her. This is just for you.
Thank you.
We wanted to celebrate you for just,
Being you.
that's what they said. But for being a person that's always trying to be there for everyone, trying to help everyone. Even though you're quiet, you're strong. You know, don't look at me sideways. I'll get in front. I know how to use the camera.
You good?
But I want to thank you because
Want some more rice?
of my beautiful children,
Want some more rice?
all the wonderful years we've had. Good, bad, or indifferent. I'm not going anywhere. I wouldn't think about going anywhere. I love you more than life itself.
No crying while we
He's
eat.
crying.
Who's crying?
No
I'm good
crying while we
today.
eat.
I'm good today. I might go inside later when there's nobody here. But yes, I love you for always trying to take care of me and taking care of our beautiful kids. And even taking care of your mama.
Well, I was gonna say that too.
Well, you know, I'm just adding because now it goes over to mama.
You can hold it.
I don't know.
I thank you for being my daughter. I'm grateful that you're my daughter. God gave me one daughter, and I'm so grateful for that. But I'm grateful. 3, 4 of y'all wouldn't have made it. But I am grateful because for the last 4, 5 years, you have really been taking care of your mama, making sure I eat, making sure I take my meds, making sure I don't overeat. You know, you really have stepped up and really helped me out. And I was telling our neighbor today, if y'all hadn't been here, I would have found where y'all. I would have been living with y'all in y'all house, you know. But I'm grateful for what y'all do for me. Y'all really, really take good care of me. I don't have to want. Y'all stepped in. You stepped in when your daddy stepped in. You know, passed out at. So I'm grateful for that. You know, I'm grateful for your brother doing the same thing. But I'm most grateful that y'all really take care of me. Anything I need, you and Thomas make sure I got it. So I appreciate you. I love you to the moon and back.
Love you too.
Thank you for my grandkids and the one on the way sooner or later. I'm happy with all of it.
Error. Somebody else got something to say?
And I thank you
Uh,
for my private store, for my love Kendall, my love Bunny Bear. If it wasn't for you, I would not have Kendall today. And just for, you know, always doing and always want to know where you can help you in that. I appreciate you. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, my turn.
and this is cute daughter.
You know, I thank y'all for treating me like one of y'all children.
Yeah.
You know, I also thank y'all for the other two, Sammy, Tori, and Kendall. And I thank y'all for giving me a family I never had.
That's another episode
You on the right track.
on the tribe. What?
That's fine too.
I just want to say that, you know, I've been through a lot last year, and it was just really nice to be welcomed into the house, even though I want to say especially because a lot of people tend to walk on their tippy toes around me for knowing what I've been through, and I'm happy for you just treat me like a regular human. You know, we didn't have too much talks, and I just want you to know that I don't expect you to know what to say to me half the time. I'll just let you know that. But I'm just grateful that you're just there, and if I need anything, I can always come to you. So I'm incredibly most thankful for everything. So thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right.
I want to say thank
Here's
you.
Big Brother. He's gonna start talking about Moses.
I do love you. You know, you're an amazing sister. You know, you did take care of, you know, the family too when after Dad passed, and I'm grateful for you taking care of mom, you know, when everybody else is gone. But
There you go, girl.
But you truly, you know, you deserve this. You know, you've given everything to everybody else, so it's your turn to get something from us. So.
Here's wifey.
I love you, Krystal.
I love you too.
That was it. Nice, short, and sweet. Bear, you have anything to say? And give a kiss. Get a kiss. Yeah, you want to get out. Yeah. Sam, sit down. You want something? You want to say something to mommy? Say I love you, mommy.
Bye, mommy.
Me too.
Kendall, you got something to say? Yeah, that's it. Say I love you, mommy.
She did. Her tongue did it.
That's a little bit of mischief right there. Kendall. Okay, give mommy a kiss.
That I make me waste my time. Don't go blowing up my line. If it's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you die, I know the truth. I need to remind you.
Oh my, why is it? No, but it's all fly in different directions.
You seen that?
Hey.
You have a jacket on, Bucket.
It looks like a bunch of UFOs.
They're UFOs.
Oh, Jesus. You gonna come here, UFO.
In the world.
So what can I say to you? And I'm about to had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad.
You see it?
I was always
No, that is cool, Mommy.
Ain't like what it used to look like.
I heard it. Look, I heard it. No.
but our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast.
Look, that's what spell my name.
Trying to spell your name? Think about living in Florida. Get this. That's how it's how to go inside. It's cool. That was cool though. I've never seen the
And they still going.
Yeah.
Be careful, they're gonna grab.
Coming so they ain't doing the right.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
It's going too fast for the camera to focus.
That's why they got fire in
Oh, wow.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Hit the brakes every time they do that.
And they going fast too.